you doing? Huh? 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 What you doing? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Coffee, man. Need some coffee?
See? Huh? 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 Coffee? Huh? Tom, Chris, useless. Useless! Alright. There's no egg in here. Chris the chicken. Or Tom the chicken. I'm gonna humiliate them. There's no egg in there, Chris the chicken. Time to get humiliated, buddy. Eggs, you two. You don't want to get hypnotized again. Then bring me eggs. All right, gonna fire up the forge. Do a little tinkering on the shear knife. But first, I want to show you a brand new feature. Brand new feature here in the shop. And I call it the tack hill temperature. Alright, first stage normalization complete. Heat her up a couple more times, let her cool. Then we'll go for the quench. Put the touch mark stamp on there. I don't know if you can see it. Didn't come out very good. The triple triangles, missing a corner. The Carl the Madman text, well, it's pretty much not there. But whatever. While the forge was running, I figured I might as well start on a couple other projects. So I got two more spike knives down there and potentially a tomahawk, but we'll see. Any of you who remember from my previous channel know that me and the tomahawks don't get along very well. I got something different in mind this time though. I think that's it. Vlog over.
Touch this stuff.